What is this? This is high voltage power supply for lab usage. Precision, compact, easy to use. The heart of the high voltage power supply is proven high voltage module from Ultravolt. So, available voltages should be to 40 kilovolts and power 4, 15, 20 and 30 watts. Let's have a look. At the front panel there are power switch, high voltage and ground return connectors, LED indicators for voltage and current, high voltage enable button and adjustment potentiometer to control output voltage. At the back panel the standard connector for mains power cord, grounding bolt, remote control connector with local remote switch. Remote control is analog. Signals could be found in remote control connector. Plus 5 volt normalized voltage and current monitor. Plus 5 volts reference. Output voltage adjust input. Signal ground. Let's start. Switch the power supply on. High voltage output is disabled. Voltage indicator is green, showing that you can safely adjust the high voltage preset. If done, let's make high voltage output on by high voltage on button. Now voltage indicator shows actual voltage available at the power supply output in red, saying that now you should be careful because high voltage is on. High voltage on button light red as well. Current indicator shows actual current in green until power supply in voltage regulation mode. While high voltage is on, you can still adjust the output voltage as well. In case of overload or short, the current indicator lights red, showing that. Now let's switch high voltage off. Voltage indicator blinks in red and green until output voltage goes lower the level about 100 volts. So you can see actual output voltage if it's still high even high voltage output is off. So we observed the high voltage power supply local operation mode. In this mode any signals fed to remote connector are ignored. To get into the remote operation mode, the high voltage output must be disabled and the high voltage removed from the output. If not, any remote switch actions are ignored until the high voltage output became low. Well, remote operation mode is now on. And you can see voltage indicator in green, showing by blinking that high voltage power supply is in the remote operation mode. Now, front panel control are disabled. Let's on high voltage output remotely. Voltage indicator and high voltage on button blink red, showing that high voltage is enabled. Switching back to the local mode by the remote switch is immediate even if high voltage is enabled. The high voltage output goes off by switching to this mode. We believe the power supply is quite simple and easy to use, while proven Ultravolt high voltage power supply provides probably the best electrical and reliability specs available in industry for this sort of devices. Thanks.